Hey, what's up guys? This is Gary Walker with liveanabolic.com. In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 amazing exercises for men over 50. It's gonna allow you to have a tremendous workout. All right, keep in mind guys, there's a lot of different amazing exercises out there. I'm gonna give you 3 that are a little bit different and my reasons for giving you these. All right, first one we're gonna do, I'm gonna give you a push exercise, a pull exercise, and a leg exercise that are all going to provide tremendous benefits, but it's going to allow you to utilize my TriCon training. So that's one of my biggest reasons for giving you these 3 exercises. You can do my TriCon sets with each of these and get tremendous benefits. Also less stressful on your joints, your elbows, shoulders, knees, hips, all those things that guys, when you get 50, there's a natural wear and tear just from natural everyday use. So we're trying to eliminate that and prolong the efficiency in your hips and in all of your joints. So first one we're going to utilize is a 30-degree incline. It's not a flat bench, which is a little harmful for your shoulders, especially as you get older. It's not a full incline, it's a 30-degree, all right? We're going to do a 30-degree bench press utilizing dumbbells. The other thing you're going to want to focus on is using a neutral grip. That's palms facing each other. When you rotate those, it's putting a lot more strain on your shoulders as well. So that's what we are trying to eliminate. Also, go with a lighter weight because you will be doing TriCon sets with this. So what you're gonna do, 30-degree, nice stretch. Keep your lower back flat though against the pad. You don't wanna get a big arch like that. You want to make sure that lower back is flat, shoulders are depressed. You're going to press the weight up, straight to your sides. Another explosive, 3 explosive reps. All right, then you're going to get to the midway point and you're going to hold this, but you're also flexing your pecs. You're not just holding the weight here. Your goal is to, what your mindset is, you're trying to bring your elbows towards each other. All right, you're trying to get your elbows to touch without physically moving the dumbbells. That's the cue that your mind should be focusing on. All right, you're gonna do 10 seconds, contract, second one. Once you're here, again, elbows. You're driving those elbows in. That's gonna help you contract the pecs. You're not physically moving the dumbbells, but mentally your mind is contracting those pecs. 2. Yeah, and this will allow you to develop a stronger mind-muscle connection. The more you do the TriCon sets, the better your mind-muscle connection will become. 3. All right, last 3. Again, make sure your shoulders are pinned back, all right? Super slow. Stretch, contract. And on these, again, just focus on the way up. Focus on driving those elbows together. That's going to help with that full contraction. 3. All right. That is going to be the push exercise you're going to be utilizing. And you're going to go straight from there to a pull exercise. And I'm actually focusing on a vertical pull instead of a horizontal. So what I like to do is a, once again, neutral grip pull down, okay? Neutral grip is going to be better for your shoulders and your elbows. Again, not a lot of weight because you're going to be utilizing TriCon training here as well. Nice stretch at the top. Lock your abs in. Again, don't arch your lower back. Make sure you're locking your abs in. From here, depress your shoulder blades. Pull. And the key here when you're doing back work is pulling with your elbows, all right? You're bringing the weight down to your sides with your elbows. Almost using your arms strictly as hooks. You're not pulling with your biceps, it's all elbows and lats. First TriCon set, once you're here, you're flaring the lats out. you're actually trying to rip these handles apart. That's going to help you flare the lats and get a really good contraction in your lats. Rich. Abs tight, lats flared, mind focused solely on the lats and driving the weight down, shoulder blades, and then elbows. All right, in your 3 slow. One more. All right, that is your pull. From here, we're gonna go to a leg exercise. The leg exercise I'm choosing is a leg press, all right? Squats are amazing. I love goblet squats, especially when doing TriCon sets, but I would rather you perfect the TriCon technique on a stable machine, whether you use a leg press or a hack squat. Both of those work well for doing TriCon sets. I'm gonna show you how to do them on a leg press. The key here though is you'll see a lot of people get way too much lumbar flexion at the bottom. Their hips will rotate up. Their glutes come off the lower pad. That's very stressful for your lumbar spine. You don't want to do that at all. So go down as far as you can without your hips rotating. All right, that's gonna keep you from damaging your lower back. A lot of people assume this is safe for your lower back. It's not if you do it incorrectly or if you come too far down. So same thing with the TriCon sets. Right there, comfortably, explode up. Comfortable, explode up. Explode up. Halfway down. Goal here, you're trying to spread this plate apart with your feet, all right? Use the center of your feet, not your toes. You're actually visualizing the center of your feet spreading this pad, this platform apart. Two here. And you should really feel your quads burning on these. One more. Again, this is just a starting point. Great group of exercises, especially if you're 50 or older, to get back into the training, allow you to get comfortable and familiar with the TriCon sets, to get all the benefits without potentially injuring yourself. 3 super slow. One more. All right. That's your third exercise, TriCon 3. But again, give these 3 a shot. 3 sets of 9 is what you're working towards. I did 1 set of each of these. If that's your starting point, then start there and progress from there. But once you get these down comfortably, then start adding the weight a little bit. Then you can start trying some other exercises, a little bit more advanced exercises, actual squats, goblet squats, things of that nature. Man, give this a shot. Let me know what you think. Comment below if you have any questions about any of these exercises. Also, if you want a done for you program, cardio, weightlifting, my TriCon training. I designed it specifically for my Ripped After 40 program. Meal plans, everything you need to get you ripped. Give that a shot. There's a link in the description box. Go there, click on it, check it out. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, man. Go back, check out some of my older videos. Plus, we got a lot more coming out, a lot more for you guys. But that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.